like our recipes, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can also keep up to date by pressing the notification button. Hi and welcome to Desi Pantry. Today we're really going to show you how to make some amazing roast chicken using just sea salt, one ingredient. Now to do this it's best to use chicken with the skin on. Put in a tray and massage the sea salt into the chicken. Turn the chicken over and make sure you add more of that sea salt. Add some oil to a griddle pan. What we're going to do is sear the chicken on both sides. What this actually does is it seals the juices inside the chicken, so when we roast it later on, the chicken remains tender while it's cooking. Make sure it's golden brown on both sides. Using the griddle will help the chicken taste very crispy when roasted. Now place the chicken back into the tray ready for the oven. Set the oven at 230 degrees for the first 10 minutes and then at 180 degrees for the last 30 minutes. Your roast chicken is now ready for serving. And we're going to serve this with chips and some salad. If you like our recipes, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can also keep up to date by pressing the notification button.